Hey friend, every January we typically have a restart program because after the holidays are past, most people look at themselves and feel like, why did I do this to myself? It's a short-term pleasure and enjoyment of partaking in the holiday festivities and the food that goes with it, and then we think, why did I do this? How can I restart myself and get myself back into a position where I'm in control of my metabolism? So we've got one coming up. Pay attention, subscribe to this because the offer stands. We only do this once a year typically. This is a special offer that you can restart yourself as we go into the holiday season. August is a perfect time frame for it, so take advantage of it. Don't worry about past failures. You can't do anything about it, but you can make every new start beginning today. God bless you. Follow the link you see below, and we'll see you real soon.